Hey guys, this is a unboxing and review on the Corsair Strafe RGB mechanical keyboard with the Cherry MX Red keys. And at the end of the video there is also a key sound test. So I've had this keyboard for a few weeks now. This is my first mechanical keyboard. Previously I had the Logitech solar keyboard which had very low lying keys, so this was a big change for me. The first thing I really like about this keyboard is how easy it was to type on it. You can really feel each key, so I find I'm making less typos. I don't really know too much about the MX Cherry switches, but I was hoping these would have more of a click to them. But I find that they're really smooth when pressing down, which isn't a bad thing, I guess. It just depends on what you want. On the top right hand side of the keyboard above the Corsair logo there's a button which can turn all the keyboard lights on and off, which is really cool. The RGB lights look really nice on this keyboard and the software is really easy to use, so you can customize your keyboard lights to do heaps of different things. I purchased this keyboard from PLE. It was on sale for $160. The normal price is $179 Australian. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check it out. My main use for this keyboard is video editing, a little bit of gaming and just general computer use. I would recommend this keyboard. It's quite nice to use. It feels really sturdy and strong. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels really well made. Yeah, I'm really enjoying using this keyboard. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.